follow. I pray the Lord will bless us as we listen. Aleph. Blessed are they whose ways are blameless, who walk according to the law of the Lord. Blessed are they who keep his statutes and seek him with all their heart. They do nothing wrong. They walk in his ways. You have laid down precepts that are to be fully obeyed. Hold that my ways were steadfast in obeying your decrees. Then I will not be put to shame when I consider all your commands. I will praise you with all my heart as I learn your righteous laws. I will obey your decrees. Do not utterly forsake me. Beth, how can a young man keep his way pure? How can a young man keep his way pure? By living according to your word. I seek you with all my heart. Do not let me stray from your commands. I have hidden your word in my heart, that I might not sin against you. Praise be to you, O Lord. Teach me your decrees. With my lips I recount all the laws that comes from your mouth. I rejoice in following your statutes, as one rejoices in great riches. I meditate on your precepts and consider your ways. I delight in your decrees. I will not neglect your word. Kimel, do good to your servants, and I will live. I will obey your word. Open my eyes that I may see wonderful things that are in your law. I am a stranger on earth. Do not hide your commands from me. My soul is consumed with longing for your laws at all times. You reprove the arrogant who are cursed and who stray from your commands. Remove from me scorn and contempt, for I keep your statutes. Though rulers sit together and slander me, your servant will meditate on your decrees. Your statutes are my delight, they are my counselors. Dalet, I am laid low in the dust. Preserve my life according to your word. I recounted my ways, and you answered me. Teach me your decrees. Let me understand the teachings of your precepts. Then I will meditate on your wonders. My soul is weary with sorrow. Strengthen me according to your word. Keep me from deceitful ways. Be gracious to me through your laws. I have chosen the way of truth. I have set my heart on your laws. I hold fast to your statutes, O Lord. Do not let me be put to shame. I run in the path of your commands, for you have set my heart free. Teach me, O Lord, to follow your decrees, and I will obey, and I will keep them to the end. Give me understanding, and I will keep them, and I will keep your law. I will obey it with all my heart. Direct me in the path of your commands, for there I find the light. Turn my heart towards your statutes and not towards selfish gain. Turn my eyes away from worthless things. Preserve my life according to your word. Fulfill your promise to your servant so that you will be feared. Take away the disgrace that I dread, for your laws are good. For your laws are good. How I long for your precepts. Preserve my life in your righteousness. Wow. May your unfailing love come to me, O Lord, your salvation according to your promise. Then I will answer the one who taunts me, for I trust in your word. Do not snatch the word of truth from my mouth, for I put my hope in your law. I will always obey your law forever and ever. I will walk about in freedom, for I have sought out your precepts. I will speak of your statutes before kings, and I will not be put to shame. For I delight in your commands because I love them. I will lift up my hands to your commands which I love, and I will meditate on your decrees. Zion, remember your words to your servant, for you have given me hope. My comfort in my suffering is this: your promise preserves my life. Though the arrogant mocks me without restraint, I do not turn from your law. I do not turn from your law. I remember your ancient laws, and I find comfort in them. Indignation grips me because of the wicked who are forsaking your law. Your decrees are the theme of my song wherever I lodge. In the night, I remember your name, O Lord, and I will keep your law. This has been my practice. I obey your precepts. Teach me, O Lord, to follow your decrees, and I will obey it. You are my portion, O Lord. I have promised to obey your word with all my heart. I have sought your face. You are my portion, O Lord. I have promised to obey your word. I have sought your face with all my heart. Be gracious to me according to your promise. Be gracious to me according to your promise. I have considered my ways and turned my steps towards your statutes. I will hasten and not delay to obey your commands. Though the wicked bind me with rope, I do not forget your law. I do not forget your law. At midnight I rise to give you thanks for your righteous laws. I am a friend to all who fear you, I am a friend to all who fear you, to all who follow your precepts. The earth is filled with your love, O Lord. Teach me your decrees. 10. Do good to your servant according to your word, O Lord. Teach me knowledge and good judgment, for I believe in your commands. Before I was afflicted, I went astray, but now I obey your word. You are good, and what you do is good. You are good, and what you do is good. Teach me your decrees. Though the arrogant have snared me with lies, I keep your law with all my heart. I keep your precepts with all my heart. Their hearts are callous and unfeeling, but I delight in your commands. It was good for me to be afflicted, so that I might learn your righteous laws. The words from your mouth is more precious to me than thousands of pieces of silver gold. Your hands made me and formed me. Give me understanding to learn your commands. May those who fear you rejoice when they see me, for I have put my hope in your word. I know, O Lord, that your laws are righteous, and in faithfulness you have afflicted me. May your unfailing love be my comfort according to your promise to your servant. Let your compassion come to me according to your promise to us. Let your compassion come to me, and I will live. For I delight in your commands. May those who wrong, may the arrogant be put to shame for wronging me without cause, and I will meditate on your decrees. May those who fear you turn to me, those who understand your statutes. May my heart be blameless towards your decrees, that I might not be put to shame. Calf, my soul faints, longing for your salvation, but I have put my hope in your word. My eyes fails, looking for your promise. I say, when will you comfort me? Though I am like a wineskin in the smoke, your promise preserves. Though I am like a wineskin in the smoke, I do not forget your decrees. I do not forget your decrees. Though I am like a wineskin in the smoke, I do not forget your decrees. How long must your servant wait? When will you punish my persecutors? Though the arrogant dig pit first for me, contrary to your law. Contrary to your law, all your commands are trustworthy. Help me, for men persecute me without. Help me, for men persecute me without cause. The head, help me, for men persecute me without cause. They almost wiped me away from the earth, but I have not forsaken your precepts. Preserve my life according to your word, then I will obey the statutes of your mouth. Lamed, your word, O Lord, is eternal. It stands firm in the heavens. You establish, your faithfulness continues through all generations. You establish the earth and it endures. Your laws endures to these days, for all things serve you. For all things serve you. Your laws endures to these days, for all things serve you. If your law had not been my delight, I would have perished in my affliction. I will never forget your precepts, for by them you preserved my life. Save me, for I am yours. I have sought out your precepts. Save me, for I am yours. I have sought out your precepts. Though the wicked are waiting to destroy me, but I will ponder your statutes. To all perfection I see a limit, but your commands are boundless. Men, oh, how I love your law. I meditate on it all day long. Your commands makes me wiser than my enemies, for they are ever with me. I have more insight than all my teachers, for I meditate on your statutes. I have more understanding than the elders, for I obey your precepts. I have kept my feet from every evil path, that I might obey your word. I have not departed from your laws, for you yourself have taught me. How sweet are your words to my taste, sweeter than honey to my mouth. I gain more understanding from your precepts. Therefore, I hate every wrong path. No, your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. I have taken an oath and confirmed it, that I will follow your righteous laws. I have suffered much. Preserve my life, O Lord, according to your word. Accept, O Lord, the willing praise of my mouth, and teach me your laws. And teach me your laws. Accept, O Lord, the willing praise of my mouth, and teach me your laws. Though the arrogant set a snare for me, though I constantly take my life in my hands, I do not forget your law. The wicked have set a snare for me, but I have not strayed from your precepts. Your statutes are my heritage forever. They are the joy of my heart. My heart is set on keeping your decrees to the very end. Samek, I hate double-minded men, but I love your law. You are my refuge and my shield, and I have put my hope in your word. Away from me, you evildoers, that I might obey the commands of my God. Sustain me according to your promise, and I will live. Do not let my hopes be dashed. Uphold me, and I will be delivered. I will always have regards for your decrees. You reject all who stray from your decrees, for their deceitfulness is in vain. All the wicked of the heart discard like dross. Therefore, I love your statutes. My flesh trembles in fear of you. I stand in awe of your law. I have done what is righteous and just. Do not leave me to my oppressors. Ensure your servants' well-being. Let not the arrogant oppress me. My soul is set on your salvation. My eyes is set on your righteous promise. Deal with your servant according to your love, and teach me your decrees. I am your servant. Give me discernment. I am your servant. Give me discernment, that I might understand your statutes. It is time for you to act, O Lord. Your law is being broken. Because I love your commands more than pure gold, and because I consider all your precepts right, I hate every wrong path. Your statutes are wonderful, therefore I love them. The unfolding of your words gives light, it gives understanding to the simple. I open my mouth and pant, longing for your commands. Turn to me and have mercy on me, as you always do to those who love your name. Direct my footsteps according to your word. Let no sin rule over me. Redeem me from the oppression of men, that I might obey your precepts. Make your face shine upon your servant, and teach me your decrees. Streams of tears flow from my eyes, for your law is not obeyed. Tashe, righteous are you, O Lord, and your laws are right. All the statutes you have laid down are righteous. They are fully trustworthy. My zeal wears me out, for my enemies ignores your word. Your promises have been thoroughly tested, but your servant loves them. Though I am lonely and despised, I do not forget your precepts. Your righteousness is everlasting, and your words are true. Trouble and distress have come upon me, but your commands are my delight. Your statutes are forever right. Therefore, your statutes are forever right. Give me understanding. save me. I call out to you, save me, and I will keep your statutes. I rise before dawn and cry for help, for I have put my hope in your word. For I have put my hope in your word. My eye stays open through the watches of the night, that I may meditate on your promises. Hear my voice in accordance to your law. In accordance to your law. Hear my voice in accordance to your love. Preserve my life according to your laws. Those who devise wicked schemes are near, but they are far from your laws. Yet you are near, O Lord, and your words are, and yet you are near, O Lord, and your words are true. Long ago, I learned from your statutes that you established them to last forever. Look upon my suffering and deliver me, for I have not forgotten your commands. Defend my cause and redeem me. Preserve my life according to your promise. Salvation is far from the wicked, for they do not seek out your decrees. Your compassion is great, O Lord. Preserve my life according to your laws. Many are the foes who persecute me, but I have not strayed from your statutes. I look on the faithless with loathing, for they do not obey your word. See how I love your precepts. Preserve my life according to your. See how I love your precepts. Preserve my life, O Lord, according to your love. Your words, all your words are true. All your righteous laws are eternal. Sin and shame. Rulers persecute me without cause, but my heart trembles at your word. I rejoice in your promise, like one who finds a great spoil. I hate and abhor falsehood, but I love your law. 7 times a day I pray. I praise you for your righteous laws. Great peace have they who love your law, and nothing can make them stumble. I wait for your salvation. I wait for your salvation, O Lord, and I follow your commands. I obey your statutes, for I love them greatly. I obey your precepts and your statutes, for all my ways are known to you. May my cry come before you, O Lord. Give me understanding according to your word. May my supplication come before you. Deliver me according to your promise. May my lips overflow with praise, for you teach me your decrees. May my tongue sing of your word, for you. May my tongue sing of your word. May my tongue sing of your word, for your commands are righteous. May your hands be ready to help me, for I have chosen your precepts. I long for your salvation. I long for your salvation. Oh, I long for your salvation, and your law is my delight. I long for your salvation, and your law is my delight. Let me live that I may praise you, and may your law sustain me. I have strayed like a lost sheep.
Amen.